Hey AJ, you know your girlfriend Madeline?
Yeah.
Your guys' date nights are so romantic. Hey AJ, where did you go last summer? Did you go to Alaska? Boo! Oh, did I frighten you? Hey AJ, where did mommy say she wanted to go for lunch?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll ask her. Oh, where do you want to go for lunch? AJ, why are you talking on the phone for so long? Huh. Seems a little groggy to me. Hello, Caelan.
Hi.
Good morning. Welcome to IKEA. Hey, Caelan, you got a girlfriend? Yeah? You trust her? Yeah? He doesn't have a girlfriend. I forgot to wear socks with my shoes. It's giving me a ballista. Here we are in the kitchen where my mom always packs my lunchbox. And this is the bathroom where where we like to scub-a-dub-dub. All these wardrobes and still no Narnias. Sir, you're a slut. Stop. Oh man. I'm all lay just down. Man, AJ, where are you? I'm seeing something really utterly weird going on around here. I can show you the world. Okay. I honestly don't think my mom likes Aladdin. But I don't know. I'm just guessing. So we're not really finding anything that we need here, but we can just go somewhere else. Hey Caelan.
Yeah?
It's so cold in here. It's so cold. Hey Caelan.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to tell you this for a long time. You just light up my life. Hey Caelan. What the heck do you think you're doing? Hey Caelan.
What?
Sorry, I was gonna ask you if you're hungry, but I guess you don't really want to talk about it.
Bruh.